welcome to yet another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja Dwivedi. Today let's begin with the practice question. Xinjiang, a region seen often in the news, shares its borders with how many of the following countries? Kazakhstan, India, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. Let us look at the map. Xinjiang is a region in China. It shares its borders with Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan and India as well, but not Turkmenistan. So that makes Kazakhstan, India, Afghanistan, Tajikistan to be the correct answers, but not Turkmenistan. So 4 countries only will be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, India and Kazakhstan hold joint military exercise in Meghalaya. Ex-Pope Benedict's failing health presents difficult decisions for the Vatican. So let us move ahead and talk about the features and the country. San Marino, landlocked by only one country. There are certain countries, few countries in the world which are landlocked by only one country. And Vatican as well as Lesotho are some of the countries along with San Marino. Serbia, landlocked and shares the borders with 8 countries. Kazakhstan, largest landlocked country. So how many pairs are correct? San Marino is actually completely landlocked by only one country, that is Italy. Okay. Then comes another one, Serbia. Serbia is a landlocked country, shares its borders with Kosovo 1, North Macedonia 2, Bulgaria 3, Romania 4, Hungary 5, Croatia 6, Bosnia and Herzegovina 7 and Montenegro 8. So the second pair is also correct. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world. Do not think for a second that it shares a border with Caspian Sea. It's not a sea. Basically, it's a large water body, but it does not have any coastline with the open oceans. So Kazakhstan is, yes, the largest landlocked country in the world. So that makes all the 3 pairs correct. C is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. State-owned Kozloduy nuclear plant in Bulgaria signed a deal for nuclear fuel supply with a French firm in its attempt to reduce dependence on Russia, and the state-owned plant is on the Danube River. It currently relies on a Russian fuel for the 2 Soviet-built reactors. Okay, so which among the following countries does not have its capital near the banks of the Danube River? Let us see the Danube River. Danube River flows through many countries in Europe. Austria's capital Vienna is on its bank, so is Hungary's Budapest and Serbia's Belgrade. Okay, but of course, if we have to talk about this, then Croatia is one of the countries its capital is not lying on the borders of the Danube River. Option C is going to be the correct answer. F-16 Viper challenging China's J-20 fighter Taiwan gets 100th modified F-16V amid threats from Beijing. So with respect to Taiwan, we have to consider the statements. The equator passes through Taiwan exactly in the middle. The Penghu Island lie to the east of Taiwan, and the Luzon Strait separates Taiwan from mainland China. So we have to select the statement. First is Taiwan. This is not the equator that is passing through almost the middle of Taiwan, but Tropic of Cancer. First statement is not correct. Penghu Islands lie to the west of Taiwan, and I think it was written to the east. Yes, so second statement is also not correct. And the Taiwan Strait separates Taiwan from China and not Luzon Strait. Luzon Strait lies somewhere over here. So that makes what? How many of them are correct? This and this. All the 3 statements are incorrect. None of these statements are correct is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead, Iran's military begins drill near Strait of Hormuz amid mounting tensions with the West. So we have to consider the pairs. We have to match the important states and the joining regions. North Channel, Irish Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Bonifacio Strait, Madagascar and Mozambique. Gibraltar Strait, Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. First is North Channel. North Channel, yes, it lies between the Irish Sea and Atlantic Ocean. More so between UK, Scotland and UK, Northern Ireland. Okay, so Atlantic Ocean and Irish Sea is correct. Then Bonifacio Strait Madagascar and Mozambique, this is not correct because it lies between the islands of Corsica and Sardinia. Okay, so second is not correct. Second pair is not correct. Gibraltar, between Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean. Let us see Gibraltar. Gibraltar, yes, between Mediterranean and Atlantic, between Spain of Europe and Morocco of Africa. Okay, so that makes the first and the third pairs correct, but not the second one. Option D is going to be the correct one over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. First is Russia and Ukraine, they seem to be in a deadlock in eastern Ukraine. So let us see. Russia and Ukraine seem to be a deadlock in eastern Ukraine. Arrange the following cities of eastern Ukraine from west to east. Okay, Melitopol, Mariupol, Izium, Severodonetsk. Now let us look at the map and look at this. Melitopol will be the westernmost, then Mariupol. Okay, Melitopol and Mariupol, first and second. Then Izium and Severodonetsk. Let us see, where is Izium? Izium is over here, and then Severodonetsk is over here. Eastern Europe and eastern Ukraine. You have to ensure that these both regions are much in the news, so you have to ensure that you know about it. So Melitopol, Mariupol, Izium and Severodonetsk, 1, 2, 3, 4, option A is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, arrange the following alpine belt or alpine Himalayan orogenic belt ranges from west to east. This is a huge belt that is transcontinental in nature, and we have to arrange the ranges in the correct manner. Alps, Alborz, Caucasus, Atlas, Karakoram. Let us see. First is of course Atlas in Africa, Northwest Africa. Then we have Alps in Western Europe. Then we have Caucasus, then Alborz, and then Karakoram. Okay, so this is the alpine belt. First we have Atlas, 4, then Alps, 1, then Caucasus, 3, then Alborz, and finally Karakoram. 4, 1, 3, 2, 5 is going to be the correct answer. Option B here is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. In India, grasslands are classified as wastelands that have no ecological value, and nearly 70% of the open natural ecosystem have been termed as wasteland. So we have to arrange the following from south to north. Okay, so let us begin. South to north, grasslands, especially we are talking about South America. First is Llanos. Llanos is spread across the north of the South America in Venezuela and Colombia. Then Pampas is to the south, and in the middle we have the selvas. Okay, so first of course if we have to go from south to north, then first will be Pampas, then will be selvas, 2, 3 and then 1. 2, 3, 1 is going to be the correct answer. I'm sorry, it's not given in the option, but 2, 3, 1 is the correct answer over here. Okay, 2, 3 and 1. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Inland Waterways Authority of India is spreading the scope of the national waterways as it plans to develop and operationalize 3 waterways in the state of Maharashtra. A person travels from New Delhi to Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, using only inland riverine waterway. Which of the following cities will not fall en route during the course? Varanasi, Farakka, Pilibhit and Patna. So this person is going from New Delhi to Dhaka, right? And this is the route. So Agra will fall, then Allahabad is also there, Varanasi is there, Patna is also there and Farakka is also there, but not Pilibhit. Alright, so the correct answer will be option C, that is Pilibhit. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, Manipur government and Assam Rifles clean rivulets in Moreh along the Indo-Myanmar border. So which of the following states of India share a border with Myanmar? Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh. We have to select the correct answer. Let us see this. This map is showing us that Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, they all have a border with Myanmar. Okay, so that makes the answer Nagaland, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh. All of the above is going to be the correct answer, option D. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Villages displaced by Koyna Dam project struggle for drinking water. So from north to south we have to arrange the following dams in India. Tehri, Tilaiya, Sardar Sarovar, Koyna and Bhakra. Let us see. First we will have Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. Then we have, first we have Bhakra Nangal Dam at Sutlej, on the Sutlej river. Then we have Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi. Then Tilaiya on Barakar river. Then Sardar Sarovar on Narmada river. And I guess then we have Koyna on Krishna. Okay, so Bhakra, Tehri, Tilaiya. Then we have Sardar Sarovar and finally Koyna. So first Bhakra, then Tehri, then Tilaiya, then Sardar Sarovar and Koyna. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be the correct answer. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Option C, there is going to be the correct answer. The center has no plans to take up interlinking of rivers in the country without the consent of the states which are involved. So we have to see which of the following rivers are west flowing. Bedti, Kali Nadi, Sharavati, Aghanashini. So let us see west flowing ones, right? So as we see, here is Kali Nadi. This is west flowing. Then we have Aghanashini. This is also west flowing. Then we have Bedti river, which is also west flowing. But Sharavati, this is also west flowing. But if we have to talk about among the following given options, Bedti is west flowing, Kali Nadi is west flowing, Sharavati is west flowing, and Aghanashini. All of them are west flowing. So option D is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead, let us look at this practice question. You have to answer it in the comment segment. Matching the rivers to the water bodies in which they flow into. Okay, Mekong, Andaman Sea, Thames, Irish Sea, Volga, Caspian Sea and Zambezi, Indian Ocean. Match it correctly, answer it correctly. That's it, and a very happy new year.